Hello, today I'll be doing a dual extrusion of a cat. I'll be using white and pink ABS plastic, and I hope you enjoy the video. It actually turned out quite well. Okay, you might realise why I've got those little side fences. It's because my right extruder is quite leaky, as you can see by the build-up of white on the pink filament. So that's why I've got it. I should be fixing that issue soon. Okay, you just saw me remove the raft and bridging the little fences, and I'm now cleaning up the little blodges of the white filament.